Flutter tutorial. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open your browser and type in flutter.dev. On the home page, click on Get Started at the top right corner of the page. You will be prompted to select your operating system, so choose the one that matches your computer. Scroll down the page and click on the Download Flutter SDK button. Once the download is complete, extract the zip folder to your desired location on your computer. After extracting, open the environment variables settings in Windows. Then add the Flutter folder path to the path system variable so the terminal can recognize Flutter commands. Next, open your terminal. In the terminal window, type Flutter Doctor and press enter. Flutter will then check all system requirements and show the installation status. Open Android Studio, activate both the Flutter and Dart plugins. After that, go to the Android Studio and install the Android SDK and emulator. Once everything is installed, reopen your terminal. Type flutterr create my_first_app to generate a new project. Then type cd my_first_app to navigate into the project folder. Finally, type flutterr run to start the app.